How to invest with Tiger Trade. Let's discover the investment target. First, select the trading product that interests you. You can discover opportunities here. Or, in the top right corner of the page, you can click the little magnifying glass to search for stocks directly. Please don't forget to add the stock to your watch list and easily track the price movement. Then, let's view the stock details. There is a variety of tools to help you trade smarter. You can check the fundamentals of the stock. Click the button, you will see more information. By using charts, you will see how the prices are moving over any given period of time. Let's make a trade together. At the bottom of the symbol page, you can click buy or sell. Once on the order placement page, you can also change the buy or sell direction. Limit order is the default that shows here. Please feel free to choose a different order type in the drop-down menu. Besides, you can choose Pro mode to explore more features. In Pro mode you can figure out more order types. In the top right corner of the page, you can also switch back to light mode. For limit orders, you can enter your target price. Please don't miss pre-market and post-market trading hours. Most sought-after U.S. stocks on the platform can be traded during these periods. As an example, let's buy 2 shares of Apple. To ensure your order is placed, you can click Review by Order. Our system will run pre-trade checks. Order details can be viewed by clicking View Order. How to check the order. Once the order is submitted, you can also go back to quotes to check order details, such as order status. If your order hasn't been filled, tap the order. You can edit or cancel it here. How to check the analysis of P&L. After your order is placed successfully, you will view each stock's performance on portfolio page. Now, please start having fun with your investments.